Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Camryn. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram because I have a lot of good pictures that I just recently posted the last 2 days, and I still have some more from my Boston trip. So I just wanted to do a little introduction to this video because it's going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. So basically, if you don't watch the news or you aren't in the area, the entire East Coast got hit by a really huge blizzard this past weekend. Today is Monday, and I went to Boston actually for 2 nights because we got stuck with the blizzard. Boston got hit super hard, and I think Rhode Island got hit as well because it's like mostly coastal. But we were in like the Back Bay area and we got hit pretty hard. Like, I'm not even kidding. I think Boston almost got like 30 inches of snow in some places. It was just so bad. But the reason why I'm filming this intro is because I didn't really film whatsoever when I was in Boston, and because the blizzard kind of just ruined our chances of like going out to dinner and like hanging out, like shopping, doing stuff, which is fine. Like, you can't control the weather, obviously. But we managed to go to dinner Friday night, and we went to breakfast Sunday morning. So I came back yesterday afternoon, and I went to Boston Friday night. And so Saturday, we literally just stayed inside at Haley's apartment all day, and we even attempted to go to Insomnia Cookies, which is like right down the street from her apartment, because every time I go, they're just so good, and I crave them. And you guys, we couldn't even leave her like parking lot, like the apartment complex parking lot. It was that bad, just filled with snow. So we did try, but yeah. So I'm filming this long intro because I still didn't want the clips, like the little clips that I took, to go to waste. So I wanted to just post kind of like a shorter video for you guys, and then like on Tuesday, and then on Thursday, like when I post my other video for the week, I'm doing like a mini vacation reset video. So I'll just show you guys basically how I get back into the swing of things and back into my routine after being away for a few days. And I thought that would be really fun to film and just kind of show you like how I get back to normal. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm rambling so much. That's why I'm filming this intro, because I literally did not film, but I still wanted you guys to see like kind of some of the stuff we did and some of the things that I filmed. So yeah, let's get into the video.
this letter. Probably got excited, but there's nothing left inside it. Didn't have a camera by my side this time. Hoping I would see the world through both my eyes. Maybe I would tell you all about it when I'm in the mood to lose my way with words. Oh, today the skies are painted colors of a cowboy's cliche. It's strange how clouds that look like mountains in the sky next to mountains anyway. Didn't have a camera by my side this time. Hoping I would see the world through both my eyes. Maybe I would tell you all about it when I'm in the mood to lose my way with words. Over you should have seen that sunrise with your own eyes. Oh, it brought me back to life. Oh, you'll be with me next time I go outside. No more 3 by 5s. Oh, today I finally overcame trying to fit the world inside a picture frame. Maybe I would tell you all about it when I'm in the mood to lose my way. Oh, but you should have seen all that sunrise with your own eyes. Oh, it brought me back to life. Oh, you'll be with me next time I go outside. Or just no more 3 by 5s. Or just no more 3 by 5s. Bam.
Crazy. Oh my god.
Haley,
What the heck?
look,
What the heck? My feet
you
are
guys,
so deep.
look at this. No! How did Morgan just make it?
We ran.
Oh my god. You guys, you need to see this. Are you serious?
We fucked ourselves. We have to go around the building, buzz myself in.
The door is open.
Oh!
Go get it, go! Well, I'm gonna wait. Oh my god. This is so bad.
I am wearing 2 pants.
Guys, the snow just